From the navigator, under the building data section, define the thermal zones. Define a building preparing it for calculation or the set of buildings to be calculated. Identify the different subunits of each building before launching the calculation process. For each subunit, define the different thermal zones. Define the required characteristics of each thermal zone. Define the air-conditioned or not air-conditioned boundary environments to simulate heat exchanges with environments not included in the model. You can exclude heat exchanges with these environments from the calculation. Or define the internal temperatures of these environments. Assign the calculation unit, subunit, and zones directly to each room. Assign boundary conditions to different objects. Even simulate the boundary with air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned environments not included in the model.